How to get add yours on Instagram. Now let's hop on to our story right here and click on camera. And then we just have to capture one picture, or we can capture a video, let's say right here. Now to get add yours, all you have to do is to click on the sticker button right here, and it will automatically pop up the add yours option right here. But if you don't really have add yours, you can just search for it right here, and it will for sure pop up on your Instagram. And when we click on that, I can add various texts on that. I can put a challenge so that we can interact more on Instagram. This is the context of add yours, so that we will be able to interact with other users on Instagram. Let's say right here. However, if you don't really have the add yours sticker on Instagram, maybe your Instagram is not up to date. So in order for you to make sure that your Instagram is up to the latest model, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and then click on Instagram. Now you have to make sure that this says open. If it says update, you just have to update your Instagram to its latest model. The last resort you have is to download a VPN so that you may be able to access this type of content of Instagram onto other countries. So that's how to get add yours on Instagram.